What's up everybody, today we're going to be installing the 3rd gen Tacoma Lifestyle Alpine Series skid plate. This skid plate is 100% steel and it's made right here in the US. This skid plate mounts on the front, middle, and the rear for full contact against your frame and added protection. In the box, you'll receive your skid plate, this hardware kit, as well as a cover that installs on your skid plate. This is what the hardware is going to look like. You're going to have 4 silver bolts, 2 gold bolts, 2 crush washers, and 2 bigger washers, and 2 spacers. For the first step, you're going to install your cover with those 4 silver bolts right here. You're just going to hand tighten them down at first, and then you're going to grab your Allen wrench and you'll tighten them down all the way. I'm using a washer here just to get my spacing pretty even across all 4 sides. Then you'll assemble your gold hardware. You're going to do bolt, crush washer, then bigger washer for both. Once you've done that, you can begin taking your factory skid plates off. Some 3rd gens will only have a front skid plate, but most will have a front and middle one. This one just has a front one, so there are only 4 bolts to take it off, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. The middle skid plate should be just as easy. And then you can lift it off the hooks just like so and pull it out. Next, you'll want to remove these cross members. This is done by removing the bolts on the underside. One of them will have 4, and the other cross member will have only 3. You may need to use a breaker bar as these can be pretty tough. Sometimes an impact will do the trick. Now keep those bolts handy because we will be reusing them. After that, you're going to grab one of those bolts and insert it in the front hole of your skid plate back through the frame where the cross member was installed. You're going to do 2 on one side and 1 on the other. Then you can tighten those down just a little bit and start to work on the rears. This is where you're going to take your gold bolt with those washers and slide it through, and then on the top side of the skid plate you're going to put the spacer through over the bolt. Then you can press your skid plate up and thread it into the holes. You're going to do this for both sides. Leave them just a little bit loose so that you can wiggle around the skid plate. You can then tighten them down just a little more and tighten your front ones. And your middle holes should be aligned so you can again reuse 2 of those cross member bolts, put them up through, and tighten them down. Once you've got that all done, you can tighten all of them down and your install is finished. If you'd like to grab one of these for yourself, we have them available now at tacomalifestyle.com.